just woke up, kind of, and this is me when I just wake up, you know. In one of my earlier videos, I said I'm coming to you real and raw, so this is me. And sometimes it's all about the angles, you know, the angles, the lighting. All right, so this is our last full day in Treasure Beach, and we're going to Pelican Bar today. We called one of my cousin's friends. He says that from here it's too rough, so we can't do it from here. If it was here, it would be $60 US, because they actually do a tour and they discuss Treasure Beach and history and stuff like that. So that would have been nice, but he said too rough to do that. So he gave me the number of someone else where we'd have to drive around about 45 minutes to get to where they are, and then that's a smoother ride. The guy said it's 20 US, local price $3,000. I'm just gonna live this hammock life for just a little while longer. I don't know if we're gonna look for breakfast around here. We didn't have a great breakfast experience yesterday. The guy who we called 45 minutes away, he was like, oh, food nice over here and it's on the beach and everything, so but it's 45 minutes away, so we're gonna see if we can find a light breakfast before we go, and yeah, we'll figure it out. But we are going to Pelican Bar today. It's our first time. Obviously it's my first time. It's my first time in Treasure Beach. It's a lot of firsts for me, so that should be nice. I'm really looking forward to it. So yeah, let's get the day going. So we reached to the place where we're gonna go on the boat for them to take us to Pelican Island. It's after 12, we haven't eaten yet. So right here, so them cook up food and everything right in there. So we want fish and lobster, beer fish and lobster, we eat beer fish and lobster. When we go back to town, you know, it's not gonna be like that. So we might as well have up a nice food while we can. All right. So I'll just show you the surroundings, because I'm just looking at the water already and it looks really nice. So it looks like that's the kitchen, and the sand is not white sand here, and I guess you can come here and eat. So I'm gonna ask them, but yeah, them asked me if we want anything, so I'm gonna go cook that up. I guess we'll go on one of these boats. Oh, you can see Pelican Island from here. That's so cool. Pelican Bar, I mean. That's so dope. Okay. And by the way, it did say 45 minutes to get here from where we were. I guess it depends on the route you take. One of the routes that we took, the one that we took was like 36 minutes, so you know, a little less than 45 minutes, so that was nice. So yeah, we're gonna head there in just a few. I'm excited, and you know what, because it's a Tuesday, hopefully there's no crowd. Imagine if it's just the two of us. Wow.
Thing hanging on the tree.
No? Wait. No? What? I want to guess, but I have no idea.
Yes, look at it. But if you want to go over there and look at it and make a guess.
Tell me.
It's the animal skin, that big one with
Stop.
like small one with a blue.
What did they do with that?
Probably make a drum. Or something.
Drum? What kind of drum? Stop. For real? Wow. Okay. People will feel like that's their house and this is their establishment. With them cook and thing and you can sit down and they're making a fish pot over there. They already probably sit for a fish pot. They catch their own fish. They have their own boat and they're right by the sea. They have, what's nicer than this is that them just have everything they need. But man, how nice is that?
I think I've ever been on a boat like that.
Yeah, because from where it is, I think like Port Royal, if you want to get to a place called Lime Key, them have boats like that that will take people on, pay like money and then will carry it over.
Come and say uptown of Africa.
I've been on a boat like that. But my good friend own boat, so more time with the on their boats. But yes, there's times when we pay more money and take the boat over to Lime Key. But we want a boat. We're gonna get not like that. We're gonna get like a boat, right? So we can go fish right in the ocean. Yeah. We're eating real good, people, real good. Lobster 3 days in a row. This is not how we live. We have to make it nice on vacation, you know? Alright, so she said she just will fry up the lobster and then put a really nice sauce on it. So let's see how that is. What does it taste like? Brown stew lobster. I don't do that at the festival. Let me taste the fish. That's not really escovitch. I think I got big fish for the price. Look at this. I was able to get this whole thing out. I think I've gotten to every crevice. I think this lobster is done. I'm to wash off my hand and head over to Pelican Bar. You know what I'm gonna eat later?
What?
Lobster again. Curry lobster. You know why?
What?
Because curry is my favorite flavor of food. Curry anything, I mean that. And I would have just do lobster again but with curry.
My drive gone on a St. Mary. From my putting on my shoes, you must pay me. 5 million gone on this.
Alright, we finished eat and we're gonna go on the boat and head to Pelican Island, Pelican Bar. Pelican, but the sand is so hot. Heading to there. There's our boat coming for us. We were up there eating and we walked down and yeah, we're gonna get on this boat and get to Pelican Bar. Woo! So we are back on land, heading to the car. We're gonna head back to Treasure Beach. We're gonna have dinner at this place called Eggies on the Beach. And my hair is my favorite. Can you guys hear me? I swear to God, the waves. I'm always worried. My hair is my favorite when I come out of either the ocean or the sea and it air dries with the breeze. This is my favorite hair. I love my hair wild, and I just feel like the ocean breeze, the ocean water, ocean breeze, sea water, sea breeze always just brings out the curls that I love. They need to bottle ocean water. They need to bottle sea water, and I'll put that in my hair. We're at this little spot called Eggies on the beach. I ordered curry lobster, Sani ordered fried chicken. I hope the curry lobster is good. All the lobster has been really good so far, so we'll see. So I'm just gonna have dinner and end the night.